WildBrain!
Okay, Olivia, my makeup must be perfect. Are you sure that Malice can't get in here?
Yep, I'm sure. That door is totally Malice Proof.
Are you positive about that?
100%. This is a malice-free zone.
A malice-free zone? Ha! That's ridiculous. I'll show you, Olivia.
Just a little bit more eyeshadow and done.
Wow, Olivia, I look amazing. And you did it all without any interference from Malice.
That malice proofing was genius. Now, just a bit of hairspray and you're good to go.
Mwahahaha. Once there was a girl named Olivia, and she liked to use far too much hairspray. Olivia, what are you doing? Olivia, you have hairsprayed my hand to my head and I can't get it off.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, Isabella. I don't know what happened. Don't worry, I can fix this.
And she turned her hair bright red like a fire engine. Red hair! Red hair, Olivia! I can't have red hair for my interview at Zuzaa Academy.
I don't know what's happening. Let me try to fix it just one more time.
Olivia!
Isabella, that malice proofing might not actually be working.
You think?
But how? Isabella, do you remember when all I could say for a whole day was hola?
Hey, Olivia!
Hola.
Fancy painting my nails for me?
Hola. Or watch a musical? Hola.
Olivia, are you all right?
Hola. I think the same thing's happening. Malice is using her magic typewriter to control me.
Oh, she is sneaky, that Malice.
Well, she's not the only one who can do a bit of magic.
The orange hair was my personal favourite.
What? Something fishy is going on.
Look at my hair. It's only half done. So let me get this straight. You've all lost something. My hairbrush.
My screwdriver.
My sweet. Well, they must be somewhere. We'll just have to look for them. I promise you, friends, we will find your items, wherever they may be, however long it takes, no matter how far.
Hang on. Is that them?
That's weird. Surely they should be on that table. Magic mirror, eh? I know how that goes. Get out of here, Malice.
Magic mirrors, eh?
And if that's the case, there's only one thing for it. Whoa! Come on, guys. Whoa! Sweet! You coming, Isabella? I don't know, Olivia. This is a messy situation, and I'm messy enough as it is.
My screwdriver.
See, Isabella, there's nothing to worry about. Olivia! What is Esme? Run! What was that? I think I can explain. You guys came through the mirror, right? Are you okay? Malice, what did you do? I'm not Malice, I'm Bonnie. Listen, you're in the mirror world. Everything here is the opposite of your world. In your world, I'm bad, but here I'm good. So even though you're the goodies in your world, here you're evil. There they are, Edna.
That's my screwdriver. Sure is. Now hand over the rest of your wands.
Not so fast. Princesses, come with me. Ah! Thanks for helping us get our stuff back, Olivia. It was all Bonnie, really. I'm taking this.
To be perfectly honest, I wish all parties were costume parties. Esme, you can't go to the party dressed as a pig. Oink, oink. What's wrong with pigs?
They're actually surprisingly clean animals.
Esme? Esme, are you okay?
I don't know.
That was weird.
Your turn.
I'm not sure.
Come on, we need to find a costume for you.
It's hard to see. That was pretty good.
Brilliant, Olivia. I think we've found your costume.
That wasn't me. me. I couldn't stop making those noises. I think there might be something wrong with the... Esme, no!
What?
Malice, what are you doing here?
Yes, it was me. This was a lot of fun. I think I may have to start a princess zoo.
Let's take you outside, Malice.
Ooh! Olivia, I just had an amazing idea about this lunch thing I think we should try. Oh, it will be so much fun. Come on now, and don't forget Mr. Snuggles. Bye! What just happened? Oh, hey Olivia, take a seat. Esme, how are we going to see what we're making?
Here's the fun part.
We can't see what we're making.
So it will be a surprise for us.
Why does everything have to include a blindfold? Remember how blindfolded pizza making ended out?
Don't worry, Olivia. Mr. Snuggles is here to help us.
So the princesses think they can have a nice little lunchtime game, eh? Let's see how much they like my slime witches! Mr. Snuggles, I want to swap. Slime? We don't have any slime here.
No, my lunch is ruined.
This is Malice's name written all over it. What? Where?
I can't see it.
Oh, no, Esme. This is something she definitely do. How do you like your lunches now, princesses? Are they a little bit slimy?